Wanashangaa ni ya pesa ngapi hiyo? Kumbe ni mawe tu. Kidamuhe ginya burada. This is the design of the house. Yeah. Ni. Neguo. Tamuhorere thimu umutwarire. Mani indo ciene ri no nginya ucirore wega. Quality construction stone, machine cut, gray in color. Look at that quality. Yes, a big man must be very happy wherever he is standing here. And this is a manure for the farm, which we will use to plant corn tomorrow. This is manure, yes. We are going to plant here tomorrow. We have the rains so everything is gonna be yes. These are the stones. Now the delivery lorry is now leaving, going to bring another delivery from Juja. And this is the big man himself speaking on the phone. Big man himself. Yes, Rasta. Hii ni mambo mzuri kabisa. Hii ni mawe kabisa, ile original kutoka Juja. Ama unataka kujenga, hebu tuangia sisi simu Naletea we quality stone, ha? Naletea we kitu iko quality. Ona? Quality and standard, eh? Quality kabisa. Nakaa kama simiti. It looks like cement, but it's very beautiful. Beautiful. You don't need to plaster the exterior of the house. You just do a very beautiful key. And this is sand. Hii ni mchanga hapa. Kama unataka mchanga pia wewe na tuangia sisi simu na leta mpaka hapo. Napata kitu quality. Kutoka huko Pokot huko. Pokot huko. Na hii mawe hii inatoka Juja. Juja huko ni Kiambu County huko Thika karibu huko kabisa huko. Huko ndani huko. Yes, yes, and the sky, mvua iko karibu kunyesha hapa. Expecting rain any moment from now. Any moment from now, the rain. And this area I will show you a bit of the place. You see, I want to show you the access roads, everything. This is a big man. Big man himself on phone. And this is a neighbor. Everything is beautiful. Yes. Then I take you around. You see them, the forest. This is access road. See, I'm just next to the road. I'm surrounded with a big man is surrounded with the road, man. Very big roads. Access, you see them? You can go this side. There's another big access road. You can go this side. There's another big road. So let me take you to the main one. Now you see what is happening here. There's a town. We have a town. That's here. A town is up here. And also Niaje? Kakamega town. You go by this road, then you go to the tarmac. You go to the tarmac road. Yes, you can also use this one to go to, but it's very far. You will have to go around. So the easiest one is this one, going around here. Yeah, let me show you around where big man is making a very, very nice. How you see the trees, yeah, man. Where it's like a forest. Yes, yes. Let me show you the beauty. You see the beauty. You see the beauty. You see the beauty. See, the road is it's big. Big banana. Yeah, there's a river down here. A river. This road goes to the river. Even the other one goes to the river. Yeah, man. Everything here is cooler and deadly. See the trees? Yeah, man. Very nice. Very nice forest here. It's very nice. Then I have to go back. Let me go back and we end it here. Yes, so you keep it locked. We will be coming live every day from this site. We show you what we are doing. This is a 3-bedroom house. A 3-bedroom house. Already the foundation is done. We've started now delivering the building stones already on site. It's a sunken sitting room, a sunken the dining is also here for you. So everything you can see the layout. This is the layout of the house. So you keep it locked and you will like what you will see here this week. So maybe Big Man can say, Big Man, say hi to everyone. We are closing, man. Yeah, Big Man, it's here. Hi, you must say hi. Well, yeah, man, blessed lover.
It's a good Sunday, but although it's coming to rain.
Yeah, man.
We are very happy. We thank God for that.
Easy.
Yeah, man.
Wagwana. Yes, now we end it here because the rains are coming. We need to go. Thank you very much, and let's meet you in the next Wagwana.